arbitrationagreements.org. Every year, millions of people across the globe move homes. Whether it's within the same city, across states, or even internationally, inevitably disputes arise. You know, the movers lost your grandmother's antique dresser or that family heirloom got damaged. That's where moving arbitration comes in. Before we get into the specifics of moving arbitration, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save your business a great deal of time and money. Now think of moving arbitration as a way to resolve disputes without going to court. It's a legally binding process where an impartial third party, the arbitrator, decides how to resolve the dispute. Let's talk about numbers. In the United States, over 31 million people move every year. That's almost 10% of the population, and out of those, nearly 3,000 cases end up in disputes with moving companies. The interesting part is that almost 70% of these disputes are resolved through moving arbitration. But how does the process work? Well, first, both parties agree to use arbitration instead of going to court. This often happens at the beginning of a contract. You sign a form agreeing to use arbitration in case of any dispute. Then, if something goes wrong during the move, you can initiate arbitration. The moving company is required by law to participate. You'll present your case, as will the moving company. This can be done through written documentation, or sometimes a conference call or a meeting. Next, the arbitrator will make a decision. This decision is based on the facts presented by both parties and according to the law. The decision or award could be for the moving company to fix the damaged item, pay for its value, or dismiss the claim. And finally, the decision made by the arbitrator is binding. This means it must be followed. If the moving company does not comply, the customer has the right to take them to court to enforce the decision. So, moving arbitration is an efficient, cost-effective way to resolve disputes with moving companies. It allows for fair resolution without the need for lengthy court procedures. To learn more about moving arbitration, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Countless companies and individuals utilize our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you're interested in doing that, we are standing by. Also, what do you think about moving arbitration? Does it seem like a good alternative to court litigation? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.